Hello folks, I would like to introduce you my latest DIY project. It is a converter, simply. It converts USB messages into CAN messages or USB messages into RS485 messages, or it can convert CAN messages into RS485 messages. And let's take a look at it a bit closer. And this is the USB part of the circuit, and this is the microcontroller, STM branded F0 microcontroller. This is the SWD, or stands for serial wire debug, to programming the microcontroller. And this is the CAN part of my circuit, and this is the RS485 part of the circuit. These two are the 5 chips for the CanBus and RS485 buses. Let's take a look at the 3D view. It's a really nice and a really simple circuit, and it is too small, as you might see from the view. It is 30 by 50 millimeter in size. This is the schematic that I designed. I have also 2 LEDs for indication. This is the power supply, and this is the microcontroller that I will be use, and these are the 5 chips, and these are the connectors. To manufacture this circuit, I was looking for a PCB manufacturing company to manufacture my prototype. I came across a company. It is really cheap and cost-effective and high-quality PCB. The company is also a really cheap. In addition, company says that they have a high quality PCB and a cost-effective PCB because they only manufacture the price of $2 for 10 by 10 millimeter PCB. The company says that they have a high quality manufacturing facility, and they have a high quality PCBs. They are cost effective and manufacturing fastly, totally fastly. They're manufacturing 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter PCB and 2 layers. They're manufacturing only $2. They can manufacture 2 layers, 4 layers, and 6 layers PCBs. Also, you can request them a stencil for your prototyping PCB. Let me explain you how did I manufactured mine. And this is the website of the company, and let's quote now. I'm going to add my Gerber files. Yes, the website read my Gerber files, and as you can see, it is the exactly the same PCB with my design. This is the top overview, and this is the bottom overview, and it says it's success. There is no error. By the way, I designed my PCB in Altium Designer, which is supported by the JLC. They can accept the generated files from Altium, and my layout is 2-layer layout, and dimensions is automatically read by the Gerber analyzer, and it says 50 by 30 millimeters, and I want 10 pieces for my prototyping, and the thickness of the PCB 1.6 millimeter, and there are different color. I just wanted the green, and surface finish I want Hush L with lead, and the copper will be 1 ounce. Gold fingers, no. Material type is I have only one choice. I don't want a panel PCB, and in my design I have only one design. There is no different or any extra PCB in my design, and I want also a stencil for my prototyping, and this is the minimum size for the stencil, and quantity is 1. I just need 1. Electropolishing, no, I don't want this. No fiducials, because I will not use this stencil in mass production. And customized size, no, I will use the fixed dimensions. That's it. $2 for 10 pieces PCB and $7 for a stencil. Save it to chart. And this is my shopping chart. $2 for PCB, $7 for stencil, and check out securely. And this is for the shipping address, and you have two options for shipping methods. DHL Express, $31.93. Also, you can select the registered air mail for just $12. I will select DHL Express, and then the payment, and you will enter your credit card details here and then pay it, or you can pay it by PayPal, and that's it. $40 for my DIY project. That's it. This is the box opening part. The PCB and the stencil that I have ordered has arrived. This is the stencil and this is the PCB. They have sent with DHL. It takes 3 days from China to Turkey, my homeland. And let's open first the stencil. Steel stencil. You can see the my PCB part will fit here, and there are some marks on the left corner here, you can see. And the next video we will assemble our PCB by using this stencil. Let's open the PCBs. What we have 10 pieces PCB that I designed by Altium Designer, and a present from JLC. Thanks for that. It is really nice, and the quality is perfect. You may say it's a top quality PCB, and the silk screen's quite nice. And the markings is good as well. Let's take a look at closer to the PCB. You can see the sharpness of the silk screen and the soldier paste. It is really nice manufactured. It is not a rush-free PCB, so it is really cheap. You can manufacture 10 pieces PCB to $2, $2 US. It is quite nice.